got some heat for you right here. This is our Yocaher. This is a full aluminum drop-through longboard slash cruiser. Like it doesn't have the length of a regular drop-through. This is one of our most popular options, I think, just because of how innovative it is. And today I'm going to go over some of the features, what I really love about this board, and to make it really unique. So like I said, the board is aluminum, so you're not going to have to worry about, say if you leave it in a car or in a garage where it's real hot, the wood tends to warp on any skateboard, whether it be a traditional board, a cruiser, a longboard. You don't want to, ever let the elements affect it. Like, you don't want it to get too hot, the wood starts to warp or delaminate. You don't want to get it wet, obviously. Pretty much, I always say treat your board like a gremlin. If you don't know that movie, they're these little monsters. You couldn't feed them after 12, couldn't get them wet, and no bright lights. So that's how I treat skateboards. But on this one, what's really cool, like I said, it's aluminum, so it's not gonna get affected by anything. So you're not gonna ever get any chips out of it. And around the board, we have this like protective shield. So this is gonna be a thin layer of plastic that goes around. So just in case like you do have a mishap, hits a wall, hits some concrete, you're not gonna have a sharp edge. So that's really cool. And it doesn't add a lot of weight to it because this board is already super lightweight. And we also got our Yocaher wheels on there. We got our Yocaher bearings. They spin fast, they roll smooth. As well, it has the drop-through design that you saw on a regular drop-through longboard that we've gone through. And it also has the inverted kingpin. It's going to give you more stability, a better turning radius. And we're actually at the park today talking to one of our friends that's actually seen one of these in the wild when he goes to school, and he was telling us that a lot of people have been using them for kind of doing tricks like bombing hills, like doing nice carves and power slides and stuff. So I'm not on that level yet. Hopefully by when summer does wrap up around the holidays, you'll see me attempting to get on one of those hills and doing some power slides. But I'm still, getting my feet wet with the whole longboard room. But yeah, so this is one of our most popular options. So this is my favorite, the matte black. Just feels cool, looks cool. There's not much more to say about it. It's gonna perform just like all of our other longboards and cruisers. Well, it's more compared to our drop through, just with the turning radius and kind of like the stability. But other than that, you're gonna have a smooth ride and just something fun to, whether you want to even commute with it. Say you're parking your car far away, got this bad boy in the trunk, jam down the street, you have a ride back to the car. Or if you want to get into the longboard side of skateboarding, so you can also do that. I'm definitely going to be messing around with this the next couple weeks and having fun with it, because I don't know, it's pretty rad to me. I like just how it's just all blacked out, almost kind of like a ninja style board. It's like the grip and the board are almost like indistinguishable. But if you notice, we also do have the cutouts right in the middle too, so kind of like our little added signature that we always do. But yeah, if you're looking to get into something that's almost a little bit more unique, this is our aluminum series for the drop-through cruisers and longboards. So go ahead and check them out. We do have various colors, but my favorite is the black on black with the red wheels. It just kind of pops to me. But yeah, so there you have it. So thanks guys for checking this video out. Please stay in touch with us on all of our social media, whether it be Instagram, YouTube. Stay subscribed because we are doing giveaways like you've seen in past weeks. So yeah, if you have any questions, go ahead and shoot them over to YouTube, Instagram, or you can honestly hit me or Enzo up too. We'll do our best to answer every question that comes through. Alright, thanks guys.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe. We have new videos coming out every week. And if you have any requests for any other future videos, you know where to find us.